A fast and easy meal option, lunch or dinner. This is my dinner. I love these Lilydale turkey hot dogs, 4 smart points, 2 saturated fats, and 17 grams of protein. I like to just bake it in my little toaster oven at 350 degrees and for about 15 minutes. I like it to get nice and crispy. I add a little bit of Guy's sauce, whatever barbecue sauce that you like. It's sugar-free and a bit spicy. And once I put it in, I just add about maybe a tablespoon. I just spread it on. I have a sweet potato, 5 ounces, with some nice green beans, any vegetable. I love sweet with heat mustard. I've added just a drop of some cinnamon on top, and I can't believe it's not butter light. And if you want a little bit more sweetness, you can add, this is Sucrin Gold. It's a brown sugar alternative. You can use regular brown sugar. You can use whatever you want, any kind that you like, okay? You can use maple syrup if you want, if you have a sweet tooth like me. And I love sweet with heat mustard, one of my favorites. It has a nice zip. So here you go, 4 smart points for the hot dog and about 3 to 4 smart points depending on how big a sweet potato. Green beans is 0. I just have about a tablespoon of mustard, 0, and the I can't believe it's not light butter is 0. So I hope this is helpful, and you subscribe to my YouTube and visit me at Weight Watchers Tips and Recipes by Risa on Facebook. All right, I'm going to take my hot dog out and have my delicious dinner. Bye for now.